Hello my beautiful glam queens, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products on my TikTok feed and on YouTube. And you guys will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Now let's get into the skincare products. Yes, my face is cleansed, ready to go. Already did the toner. These are serums. This is Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. This, of course, is a sample size. It came in a whole entire kit, which is pretty cool. Cleanser, serum, moisturizer. Yeah, pretty good. And their travel size. So this size is, let's see, 0.5 ounces. Regular size is 1.35 ounces, and it is $39. And there's a bigger size, 2.36 ounces, and it does cost $59.
Yeah, pretty good.
You can purchase this at peachandlily.com and also Amazon. That's pretty good. And Ulta Beauty and Target. That's Ulta/Target. Expiration date is 12 months. Cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, non-toxic, alcohol-free, and fragrance-free. And, of course, clean. Clean at Ulta. I like the top to this. Boom! Color.
Wow.
Yes. Oh, I just realized you can't see the name of it. There it is. There it is, you guys. And the color. Yes. This is apparently the #1 bestseller.
Peach and Lily. Interesting.
Glass Skin Serum gives you glassy, smooth, translucent, you can't see but it says translucent down there, and luminous looking skin. The serum will be very hydrated and help with the inflammation and also help with radical damage. It is a revolutionary cocktail.
Interesting.
It is for normal, dry, oily, and combination skin. It also helps with, of course, acne, dryness, dull, anti-aging, firmness and oiliness, fine lines and wrinkles, pores, redness, sensitivity, uneven skin texture. It has hyaluronic acid complex. This blend of short chain, medium chain, and long chain molecules helps moisturize every layer of the skin, leaving it hydrated, plumped, and radiant. Then you have niacinamide, a water-soluble form of vitamin B3. That helps with the inflammation and brighten dark spots. Then peach extract. This fruit extract has vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids to help the skin stay firm, radiant, and resilient. Next, the peptide complex, a blend of short-chain amino acids. It helps firm skin and prompt collagen production to help fill in fine lines and wrinkles. Now, there were some results that were taken for this serum, so let's take a look at that. 100% say that this serum is suitable for sensitive skin. 96% saw softer and smoother skin, and an increase in hydration and improved dry patches. 92% saw brighter, more luminous, and healthier skin with a radiant glow. With that being said, let's use this baby. It is translucent. Yeah, clear. No smell. For a second I thought I smelled maybe like a soapy kind of shampoo type of smell, but no. Let me put it on this side of my face. Ooh. I am glowing already. That's pretty good. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Putting some on my neck. Looks pretty good though. Oh my gosh. Look at the difference in my skin. Shiny, serum, and just dryness. No shine, no moisturizer yet. We're gonna moisturize this side too. Next one. Tula Skincare Brightening Treatment Drops. This is a triple vitamin C serum. This is another travel size that I got in a kit, all from Ulta, by the way. 0.24 ounces. Travel size. Regular size, though, 1 ounce, and it costs $58. You can find it at Tula.com, Sephora/Kohl's, Ulta/Target, and of course, Amazon. Expires after 12 months. It is free of parabens, sulfates, phthalates, mineral oil, petrolatum, formaldehyde, releasing preservatives, triclosan, retinol, fragrance, dairy, silicone, gluten, and dimethicone. Also non-comedogenic. This Tula is a strong brightening serum treatment.
Are you sure about that?
With 10% triple vitamin C complex. The first two helps dull skin, basically brightening it, and it also treats the look of dark spots. Now, the third one reactivates the other two throughout the day to protect your skin from elements that causes the look of lackluster skin. All this without any sticky residue. Suitable for oily, matured, combination, dry, and balanced skin. Evens the appearance of skin tone and boosts overall radiance. It has probiotic extracts which help improve the skin smoothness and nourish the skin barrier. Chicory root helps maintain skin balance. Lychee, Japanese mandarin, and mango extracts. That helps even skin tone and boost skin radiance. Now we're going to take a look at some results. Yes. After 1 week, 96% saw more looking radiant skin and agreed that their skin felt more hydrated and smoother. They also agreed that this serum easily absorbed into their skin. 90% agreed that their skin was glowing and looked less dull. 77% agreed that their blemish marks looked more faded. Now this is after 6 weeks. And there's a whole lot going on here. Everybody is a little bit more divided, I would say. 96% agreed their skin looked less dull and saw smoother skin. 93% saw brighter skin and healthier looking skin. They even felt more confident in their skin. 90% saw more even toned skin. 87% agreed their skin looked significantly brighter and less dull. Significantly. 80% said they were less worried about hyperpigmentation, and 77% agreed their dark spots and blemish marks look more faded. Okay, this one, you want to do 3 drops? 2, 3? Okay. 2 or 3 drops. Okay. There we go. I feel less dry now. Oh, yes. My whole face. It's saying finally. There you go. I'm all shiny now. Says that you can use AM or PM and just make sure you follow up with an SPF in the morning. And I highly recommend you using the SPF, especially after you use the vitamin C here. So, wake up in the morning not feeling like P. Diddy. Waking up in the morning, putting on that SPF, and yeah, you'll be fine. You'll be good to go. Now I'm going to go ahead, moisturize my face, and then we'll get to the results. Okay, now we're going to get to the results. This one is going to be for TikTok, by the way. Alright. And the winner for this one. Boom! Peach and Lily, 67%. Woohoo! And Tula, only 33%. Wah, wah. Alright, congratulations, Peach and Lily. Woohoo! This one was another brand that we were just kind of, I think it was when me and my mom were shopping, yeah. Just walking by and we were like, huh, this one looks interesting. So we decided to give it a shot. As for Tula, this one I saw in the magazine that I was sharing with you guys, the Ulta magazine, and I really wanted to try it, so that's why I bought it. Yeah, so Peach and Lily won, which means most of you guys love Peach and Lily. Okay, we're going to look at YouTube now. YouTube results. Here we go. And YouTube. Doo-doo-doo. Boom. Peach and Lily again. Woohoo. This time 100%. 100%. Oh, yeah. Congratulations. You are the winner. I'm just going to put Tula down. Okay. Peach and Lily. You are the winner. Oh, my gosh. Jumping with joy. Okay. So congratulations to Peach and Lily. All of you guys out there voted for it. Now let me know in the comments below and tell me why you voted for it. Why you love it. What is the best thing about it? Or if you didn't like it and you're the one who voted for Tula, let me know in the comments below why you think Tula should have won. Why you enjoy it. Why is it good for your skin? Let's talk about it. Let me know. I wanted to share with you guys one comment that we received from Life as Heather 8014. She wrote, I love all Heritage Store products. What is she talking about? Well, if you take a look at one of my past videos, it is the Rosewater Refreshing Facial Mist. Heritage Store right here. I like to use this. Just like that. It's really refreshing, especially in the summertime, which is coming. So I'll buy another one. I usually carry this in my bedroom all the time. Love it. Love it. So yes, that's it. That's the end of my video. Thank you again for watching. Give this one a thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell notification. And also just wanted to say thank you so much for all the views on the Met Gala. I enjoyed it. I loved watching the Met Gala. I don't know, it's something that I love to watch. Okay. I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. I could take this off now. Yes, my hair. Well, that's it. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup. Keep on rocking. Oh yeah. And bye.